Hi, I'm in 3D printing, and in 3D printing we learn how to design and create 3D objects. So today we were creating, it was based on the wonders of the world. We did stuff like the Eiffel Tower and the pyramids. I did the Taj Mahal, as you can see here, it's the Taj Mahal. Now, we did this on a coding program called Tinkercad, and it has a lot of helpful features, like, well, one feature is how you can take two shapes and you can group them to make it easier to print and move them around. All you have to do is hold shift and click the two objects that you want to group, and then just press this button here and it groups them together. It's really helpful and it's very easy to understand.